which have been our partners in this mission, where we have said that we have to recover all public land which has been previously taken or grabbed by people who are not deserving or people who thought that they were better than the rest of the wananchi. And the collaboration we've had between the National Land Commission, collaboration that we have with the DCI and other organs is bearing fruit. We've started to receive titles, and today from National Land Commission we are receiving 6 title deeds amongst others that we've received elsewhere. And we are saying that these title deeds which have been surrendered, one was for an open space, Tinganga Shianda Block 1, 748 was open space. This is where you build a classroom for people. This is where you build parking for people. This is where you build other public facilities like dispensaries when it is an open space.
Take this opportunity to hand over to His Excellency the Governor, Dr. Wamatangi, some titles that we received. It was forwarded to us by the Directorate of Criminal Investigation Department. The titles are for Kanunga Cooperative, Farmers Cooperative Society. There are 6 of them. I want to read them out. Tinganga Shianda Block 1, 748, 1706, 799, 2178, and 2220.